really fast tools and ways that you can edit information in PDF. Now, first of all, there are a couple limits. So, number one, you would have to have a program capable of editing a PDF. In this case, I'm going to show you two examples. I'm going to show you using Acrobat, not Reader, but Acrobat, and Microsoft Word 2013. They've added the capability to edit PDFs in there, which is really kind of handy. So first in Acrobat, if you have your regular selection tool and you put your cursor in some text, let's say just right here, and I were to try and delete it, all it does is add markup to it. It just does a strike through. So it doesn't actually allow me to edit the text. If you want to edit the text, you would have to click the Tools button over on the side here, this Tools menu, and then under the Content section, you would choose Edit Document Text. And when I do that, I can click in the same way, but you'll notice I am able to actually delete words in this PDF and add my own in. Now there are limits, like we said a little bit earlier. Number one, if I take out a whole section here, you'll see it doesn't automatically word wrap all the information. So each line is essentially its own object. So it's not that simple to edit. It's not that straightforward. Second thing is you would have to have the font that this text was originally created in. So that is a consideration. If you can't edit the text still, chances are you don't have the font. And of course the other option being that someone might have protected the PDF from editing, at which point this isn't going to work either. So that's the first way. Now, over in Word, what you can do is you can actually open a PDF directly. So if I open up a file, just go File, Open, find a PDF, it does pop up a warning for me indicating that it's going to convert it and it's going to optimize it so it's not going to look exactly like the original. Now, depending on the document, it might get pretty close. So you can see I've opened a PDF here and I can go through and change it. This one is going to do a pretty good job. You'll see it is word wrapping. So Word 2013 is not a bad option for editing these PDFs. It will do the word wrap. Problem is, if you get a lot of images in the PDF, it's not going to convert it perfectly, which almost is a nice thing. But if I really needed to make a fast edit to a PDF, this is a tool that could be used quite effectively.